पानी का मस्त अपने पास pumpkin spice है पिछले वीडियो से. Let's go find cave and I know where is it. Cave. अच्छा होता ना सीधा ravine हो जाता. So let's find cave. मैं लीव्स के लिटरल थ्रू जा रहा हूँ. तो मैंने वीडियो से पहले तैयारी कर चुकी हूँ केव की. Yes, we found a cave finally. It's iron. Oh, it's going. And also, nope. Nice. Not nice. Let's go this side for iron. How much iron? 1 piece, 2 piece, 3 piece. You. आपने अपनी लिमिट्स को क्रॉस किया तो मैं मरने वाला था. और नो मेरे लिए बहुत सिंपल होता प्रो करना 6 स्केलेटन से मर जाता. दैट वुड बी वेरी सिंपल था. शील्ड पिकैक्स का काम हो गया. Is that iron? Wait, let's take new. Very much iron. Oh my god, I can see iron everywhere. But this makes some torch and now I have coal. Don't tell me I should move. Look at them good. In Minecraft, I can say that clearly. And now we will use these snowballs that we have brought through. More iron. So this is iron land. Yippee. We need more and more. Hey, am I on level? Bro, I'm down. I can't even get diamonds on this journey. Not kidding you. No. अच्छा मैंने टाइम पे ब्लॉक तोड़ दिया. Lava everywhere, so let's make a way. I don't think I can even go through. Just I want to see what's there that is being guarded by so much lava. I wanna see what's there. No! What's happening? Why am I able to go through blocks? Is he guarding that item? So we'll take that item. Because nothing can be guarded by Mr. Danish. Why? Okay, let's see if this iron goes into lava. I don't even care. Like, I won't even care. अब भाई तुम बोलोगे भाई वो तुझे आयरन मिल रहा है तो इतना ज़्यादा ऊपर से तो एक है कि तुझे तो कोई फर्क ही नहीं पड़ रहा भाई. तू currently I'm on level 15, means I can get 1000 of diamonds. Not even kidding you. Okay, not 1000. Too much coal. I don't have iron pick. I don't have iron. Yeah, but I need iron more. Because the targets of this video are to to make an iron arm. I don't need coal. I don't know why I'm just not able to find diamonds over here. I'm just can take more. But firstly, let us take more iron. Okay, let's take lazuli. Did you know that you can break lazuli within stone pickaxe? If you didn't, write in the chat. Just comment down below if you didn't. And please be honest. Because that's truth. Oh, sorry. So, first let us just close this. Nothing here. Oh, I don't know. I'm just on the saw. So now we will be if I got diamonds for this video, you will have to subscribe. Bro, how are you joking me? Is that bad? So we met up literally first part at level 21. You would like to add this? I don't know. So there shall be a reason. And just the heck, can you tell me that why? Just why I'm able to go inside blocks? This is biggest heck that I've ever been. How much I can do that right now? So we are too close to iron armor. Just 2 more iron ingots. Here we finish with our iron armor. And for iron tools, right now we have got shear and shove. Yeah, so I have to make even in buck. A buck, a pickaxe, a sword, and axe. So these are mainly the iron tools. More and more iron. Just I need one thing, that's iron. Up diamonds. No singles of diamonds right now. And if we made an anvil, you have to subscribe. I found like this is too rare. Wait, this is in type of lava fall place. 1,000 blocks of iron. Did you see that? Did you see that? Did you see that? This pickaxe can break anytime. So just let us mine cobblestone for the future because I can't. Oh my god. That's the best thing I've ever done in my life. Let us make a stone pillar. First mine all these iron. What's that? Bro, I can't just pick. Walk. What the heck is this? Just what the? Nope. I won't risk my life for these yummy diamonds. So let us take deep slate iron. That's also like iron. Yes, it's the new version of 1.17 snapshot. So first we will now be able to make an phone. So for phone we'll need 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. No! Oh! That was like insane. That was literally like insane if you saw that. What? Already got 12. Let us make a phone. Keep a phone. Here 45 iron. I don't have coal. What the? But luckily over here is the ore. And what we need in possibility. All this iron, which can right now go to lava, which has gone to lava. And what else have the art? But I won't waste my cop. And all of that. So this is in place for diamonds, not this. And this insane thing kind of stuff. Oh man. Let's just accept this. So we have finished literally nearly all of our target actually, I think. I never know that was Yeah, I will. Just you have to wait because I'm also waiting. So you have to also. I think I will finish all my targets. Making an anvil. Also. So this would be mining diamonds. So let's go. Keep the rest of the iron and coal. Please, I want that diamonds. I want that diamonds. Just till then, let me calculate. So according to my calculation, 31 plus 26, 51. So I would need some type of iron now. So let us take a little bit more. Just a little bit. Sure. So just we can make 31 plus 24, 35. We have currently 56, right? Where's our crafting table? Okay. So it's the moment of truth, guys. I'm feeling so much. Can't you just give me one more diamond? Just one more. Just literally one more. Shield. What's an iron sword? What's the recipe of this fucking shield? We want shovels. And an axe. So we are upgraded to iron finally. Till our iron smells. Over there is more iron that we need. I know I couldn't even afford to smell that thing. Let us keep that one. One more. What was that? You can't still have problem in coal, boy. You still have problem in coal. I don't have to die because I have 1,000 tons of iron right now with me. Let us make a chest plate. Let's take some even redstone because I would need it maybe. No one knows. I literally thought that it was lava. So that was diamond, whatever. Just leave it. Yeah, we'll check out even copper. Let's go. Copper. Copper is used for making wood. That's the sparkle. So, move one iron in the done. Let's see what else. I've even made the box, right? Oh my god. Why did this slime come? You came at the wrong time when I was good. So you made me start slime, so you have to be killed. Sorry, but you had to be killed because you come in the wrong time. What can I do? If you didn't come in the wrong time, I would have even made my leggings, but I did. Let us take helmet. Shall we make a diamond sword or shall we make a pick? Actually, let's take a pick. This iron will take tons of time to smelt. I have to even make the bucket. Lastly, I have to make the boots even. And then we'll end this video because I know I can't find more iron. Okay, till this iron smelt, let us throw all our things that we don't need in this. We do need slime balls, we don't need bones is important. Let's throw this rotten. Or did I do just what one now? If I have 2 more iron ingots, just 2 more, I could even make them. Okay, this iron will also smell. Let us go up for 2 more iron ingots and let us then end the window. Still, we will consider all our targets are finished. Let's eat pumpkin pie. This isn't good food, so I'm telling. So now you will say like, what the heck is this? Like पहला वीडियो था आपका हिंदी में और अब दूसरा वीडियो अजीब है, आप भाई इंग्लिश में बना रहे हो तो चलता है ना. One more. No. That was close. That was literally close.
I kind of scared myself.
At least you scared someone. It's funny, you'd think I'd be angry. I mean, you'd think I'd...
So, guys, आज की वीडियो के लिए इतना ही है. अगर पसंद आए तो लाइक और सब्सक्राइब करना मत भूलिएगा. तब तक के लिए टाटा, सी यू लेटर. और प्लीज़ कर देना भाई, पूरा आयरन में एक ही टाइम में डायमंड खोज डाला, अब तो कर ही देना. सो टाटा, सी यू लेटर, बाय बाय.